How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Excellent. Greetings.
Your cat got out. I don't know if he's allowed to be out.
Yeah, he's good.
Okay, what's going on?
I have my car stolen from this property. I'm the lien holder. I'm the title holder. I tried to call the Riverside Police Department at the time to let them know. Put my phone down right here. Basically, they were in cahoots with Mitch Jensen of Riverside Premier Motors. They stated that when they went to Mitch Jensen's dealership, that Mitch Jensen has the lien on it, and I told them he does not because I have it here at my home. And I said to the officer at the time, is there a repossession order? He said, there's not one in front of me. I said, I know because there isn't one because I already spoke with the finance company and they are already in communication with me, and the car is paid for in full, exceptional payment history. Vehicles registered to me or to my debtor, my Sestake via Sim Najias Marbay. So I have all the evidence, all the information. I registered mail this information to Galvin Newsom. It's also on Facebook. And I just wanted a police report so that I can move forward with convicting and prosecuting the criminals and getting my vehicle back. Because I had my vehicle stolen, grand theft.
Who has the vehicle right now?
I'm not sure exactly where it is, but who stole it was Mitch Jensen from Riverside Premier Motors.
Okay, is that where the car, so you don't know if it's there now or not?
This happened in May. It was, I think, on the 2nd or the 1st of May. It was a February. I mean, excuse me, it was a Friday, May 1st. I called you guys on, I'm trying to remember the dates, May 4th.
Okay.
So, yeah. Maybe. So this was a while ago. So my car was stolen for, 5 months now. But I had to wait for the process to go through because I know the officers that were in cahoots with the situation. They're trying to make it seem like they were attorneys and lawyers, but what I do is I study international law for a living, so I just knew that I'd wait and it would happen. So I wanted to give you some information and see if I could file a report.
What do you have exactly?
All right, for one, I'm just showing you, this is my certificate of achievement. I'm indigenous. I'm an Autochthon. I'm not an American citizen. This is private property.
Okay, you can have that.
All right. Yeah, that's cool. I'm just
showing
all this stuff as it goes along because this is going to build up to what you need. So that says Asim Najias Marbay. I have my ID, says Asim Najias Marbay. It also says Nadi Ta'el, which is registered with the Secretary of State of California. It's a copyright trademark. This is from the Attorneys General right here. Let you know that I am Asim Najias Marbay. Nadi Ta'el, authorized representative of Asim Najias Marbay. This is from the city of Riverside. This is from the county clerk. I am Nadi Ta'el. She recognizes me. I'm indigenous, flesh and blood. Again, also recognized as Nadi Ta'el, Riverside, all over the internet, Nadi Ta'el, SF-181, all my documentations.
What do you have that shows the car is?
This right here, I put it online so that way you guys can see what's going on. Here, that's all right. Here's from the vehicle, which was from the finance company, Westfield, paid off. Oh, here, paid off. That's in a different one. Notice of suspension. Date September 10th, 2020. Vehicle registered to me. Also, Asim Najias Marbay. Nadi Ta'el, which is the secured party creditor. White 2019 Honda Santa Fe. I am the lien holder. Title holder, lien holder. I'm the everything. This way, this is getting juicier and juicier. I have another document. Let me grab it for you right quick. As soon as it gets better, I tell you, it gets better and better. So check this out. Westlake Finance Services, that's the lender who financed the vehicle. On time, exceptional payment history, paid off in full in 4 months.
So,
Bayow. Car stolen, grand theft auto.
So when we get these, this is a civil matter between you and the finance company.
All I'm asking is for you to file a report. My car was stolen, so civil matter or not, that's all right.
That's fine. I'm just saying that, I mean, as far as what comes of it.
Yeah, that's cool.
You don't have like a photo ID?
I do.
Oh, can I see?
And also, on the record, for the record.
Thank you.
Yes. Who are you?
Sergeant Schaefer.
Sergeant Schaefer. And your badge number?
617.
617. And you are? Officer. I'll wait for the truck to drive by.
We're going to give you a card that's going to have that information. What's the address here?
And your name was?
Officer Murphy.
Murphy. And your badge number, Murphy?
2019.
Thank you. And your officer?
Crocker.
Who?
Crocker.
Crocker, and your badge number?
I'm gonna give you. Just understand. I'm gonna give you a business card. It's gonna have all my information on it. Okay.
All right, I'm just asking questions for documentation purposes.
Absolutely, that's no issue. What's a good phone number for you, sir?
909-560-6063. And on the record, for the record, I want you guys to know that I am white and American Indian. Title 28, United States Code, Section 1360, just so this is on the record, for the record. You guys have been notified, Uniform Commercial Code 1-202. So you guys are on notice.
There you go.
Thank you kindly.
So the car you're talking about is the white 2019 Hyundai?
Yes, Hyundai 2019.
Santa Fe?
Yes.
So you said that it was paid in full, right?
Yes.
Did you ever receive any type of like pink slip in the mail or anything?
After the vehicle was stolen from the property, I did not keep the insurance up, so the insurance lapsed. The DMV sent me a notice stating that I need to send them the insurance, which I'm most likely going to do today anyhow, stating that I need to have the insurance in and pay a $14 fee so they can reinstate the registration because of the lapse of the insurance.
Grab a camera and my car, just a business card. Yeah. I got a car. All right. Door 13, 1084 time, please. How long have you lived here? This house?
Some time.
Okay.
You can have all those. I made all those copies for you guys.
These are all copies?
All for you.
Got two, or?
Everything, all of it.
Cool.
Except for this one,
Can I take a photo?
this back sheet.
That works out. Okay, so you're saying that the car was technically repoed back on May.
No, I'm not. I'm saying the car was stolen.
Stolen, I'm sorry.
Grand theft,
And
larceny.
What day in May?
It was the 1st, May 1st.
Okay. And when's the last time you talked to Mitch?
Oh, I have him on recording. I have Schaefer on recording. They both admitted to the fact that they took the car. Well, he didn't say he took the car, but he said that Mitch took the car. He knows where the car is at. He knows where it is right now, and it's all on record. It's all on YouTube and stuff.
Okay.
But Schaefer said that there was a repossession order. I asked him, you could hear it. He's saying, I asked if there's a legal repossession order. Actually called for a complete week and talked to dispatch, asking if there was a repossession order. There was never a repossession order. And then when I spoke with the finance company, of course, it's paid off, so there was never a repossession order.
Did he say why it was repoed?
He stole it. It wasn't repoed. I'm sharing with you the fact.
Did he say why he took it?
No, he didn't say why he stole my car.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, you have business card. If I have any other questions, I can call you back at this 560 number.
Yeah.
Pen?
You need a pen?
No, it's just it's one of those gel pens that like works for 2 seconds and then Okay, Mr. Bay, am I saying that right? Bay?
Bay, yeah.
Okay, Mr. Bay, this is my card. It's got my name, my badge number, and that's the report number on the bottom there. Okay?
That's all I needed. Thank you kindly. Much
Alright.
appreciated. Now I can move forward with the remedy.
And you're okay if I keep these, correct?
Please keep those.
All right, you have a great day.
You also.
Take care.
Is it a Honda or a Hyundai?
It's a Hyundai. It's a 2019 Hyundai, and it's interesting that you asked me because you just spoke with the individual who says they have my vehicle, and you just stated for a fact that there's no legal repossession. You don't have one in front of you, and you know who has my vehicle. That is amazing. I'll wait for the phone call from your supervisor.
Okay, it's Sergeant Schaefer.
Sergeant Schaefer, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
No repossession order. I have a letter here from Westlake Financial Services that was issued.
Who doesn't own that car, by the way?
That was
The dealership owns the car.
Do you want me to speak, or do you want to? Okay, here. How about you tell me what's going to happen since you're going to dictate? I can arc it over to you over stand and see where this is going. Please let me know what's going on.
Nothing. That's what's going on. It's a civil problem that you need to work out with the dealership. They're in possession of your car right now. You defaulted on the loan through the finance company, and the dealership purchased the car back from the finance company, and so they're the lien holder of the car, and they repossessed it.
Oh, understood. So, just question: was there a legal repossession order?
That's something you'd have to work out with them.
No, I'm just asking. I'm asking you.
Defaulted on the loan.
No.
So
It's a simple question. I'm listening to everything.
I don't know.
To
answer your question, I don't know.
Well, I called and spoke with the dispatch earlier, and they ran my VIN number, and they said that there wasn't a repossession order. And I'm asking right now because I'm dealing with a legal matter, and I'm asking you, being that you're the supervisor and you're sharing with me this information, wouldn't you want to see if there's a legal repossession order before you guys make a determination on the standings that you're sharing with me right now?
Yeah, they're the lien holder of the car.
No, my question is there
they're in possession of the car because you defaulted on the loan.
You just repeating the same thing. My question is there a legal?
I'll continue to repeat the same thing.
But I'm only asking if there's a legal.
You need to work out with the dealership, not the police department.
Is it
it's not a small car.
I'm only asking if there is a legal repossession order. It's very simple to comprehend English. It's just plain English. Is there a repossession order?
No, I haven't.
So there's no repossession order.
I didn't say that. You're putting words in my mouth.
I'm asking you. You won't answer a simple question. To be able to move forward, are you honorable? Did you take an oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States?
What is your question?
Did you take an oath to uphold the United States Constitution?
No, we're not doing this. What is your question?
Are you an honorable officer who took an oath to uphold the law?
What is your question?
Sergeant.
I'm not playing games with the phone.
I'm not also. I have a serious matter, and I asked the question several times, and you don't seem to want to answer. So I was asking another question.
Hey, what is your question?
I've phrased the question several times, and it's not fair that you're playing this game.
So are we done? I can go ahead and hang up and go on about my business.
No, I'm asking for information.
Okay, ask your question then. You're wasting my time.
Can I give you the VIN number? Can you run my VIN number and see if there's a legal repossession so that way I can have it from the police? I want it printed out. I want to have it sent to me.
What's the VIN number?
The VIN number is 5NM5N. Okay, I'm just going to start over. It's 5. N is in Nancy. M is in man. S is in Sam.
I have that.
I'm sorry?
I have it in front of me. That's on a 1919 Hyundai.
Yes.
8 Robert King Young 128 is the plate. Correct?
It had paper plates, so I'm not sure with that.
That's the plate that's supposed to be on it then.
So, do you have a legal repossession in front of you, dated?
No, I wouldn't have that. This is from the DMV.
All right. Well, I'm just asking a question because I've had a situation before. I'm familiar with this situation, and I've called. Can I please just finish speaking?
Did you call the dealership? Did you call the dealership?
You asked me to ask a question, and now you're just asking more questions. You're not really. You're not being honest with your communication.
Did you call the dealership by chance?
My question, do you want to answer my question, or do you want to ask more questions?
Honestly, I don't. Did you call the dealership?
Sergeant?
Did you call the dealership?
Sergeant, is there, I'm calling the Riverside Police, and the Riverside Police has called me back.
So So you're wasting everybody's time. You're wasting your own time. You should call the dealership.
Is there
and
a
work this
legal
out.
repossession is all I've asked you, and you don't
You
seem
should
to want to
call the
answer.
dealership. Call the dealership and ask them. If they fail to provide you with the paperwork that you're requesting, then call us back. How about that?
Can you just let me know if there's a repossession order? Because I've called Westlake.
No. Call the dealership. They are the lien holders of the car.
Listen,
Call
I'm calling the
dealership.
police because my
Ask
car's
them.
missing.
As of right now, you don't have a crime. There's no crime been committed.
Sergeant, I want to tell you my car is missing,
Right, I understand.
and there's
I know
no
where it is.
legal
It's not
repossession
missing.
order.
I know where your car is. It's not missing.
So then you're in conspiracy with it. So you're assisting and abetting in the conspiracy to have my car
Anything
theft.
else I can help you with today?
So you just admitted that you know where my car is, right? And you don't want to. You don't want to let me.
Dealership. I've told you that.
Is there a legal repossession order?
You need to call the dealership to get that information.
Whoops. No. Do you know if there's a repossession order? Because I've called Westlake.
No. Call the dealership. They are the lien holders of the car.
Listen,
Call
I'm calling the
dealership.
police because my
Ask
car's
them.
missing.
As of right now, you don't have a crime. There's no crime been committed.
Sergeant, I want to tell you my car is missing,
Right, I understand.
and there's
I know
no
where it is.
legal
It's not
repossession
missing.
order.
I know where your car is. It's not missing.
So then you're in conspiracy with it. So you're assisting and abetting in the conspiracy to have my car
Anything
theft.
else I can help you with today?
So you just admitted that you know where my car is, right? And you don't want to. You don't want to let me.
Dealership. I've told you that.
Is
It's
there a
at the
legal
dealership.
repossession order?
You need to call the dealership to get that information. If they don't have a lawful reason to repo your car, then
Ignorance
call
of the
us.
law is no excuse. You're presumed to know the law.